going on, y'all? Everyday KaShay here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around these streets, then typically here we talk fashion, beauty, style, sneakers, and the like, especially for anybody living the plus size life. So if you're into any of that, you need to go ahead and tap on the subscribe button. I'm telling you now, don't come to me when I reach 100K, okay? Or a milli. Talking about you didn't know what was going on over here on this channel, because I'm telling you now, period. And be sure to turn on notifications all for this channel, because YouTube be playing with me. I'm putting out this good content, and I need y'all to know it. So be sure to turn on your notification bell. Now I regret to inform you that I missed out on the Nike SACAI Waffle drop. Your girl is down bad, so I'm out here without those sneakers, but I'm not a selfish girl, so I decided that I would share with y'all my style suggestions, or what you should wear with your Nike SACAI LDV Waffles in the pine green colorway. That's the colorway that we're focusing on this go round. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below that you want more videos like this. I'd be more than happy to give it to you. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all. So if you clicked on this video, then you know that the Nike SACAI LDV Waffles dropped in another set of colorways just a few days ago. And I missed them. I can't believe, well, your girl is broke. I ain't gonna hold you, okay? I wasn't able to afford them, but that's all right, because, you know, one day. Anyway, the Nike SACAI Waffles actually came out a couple of months ago, and when I saw the green gusto colorway, I was like, what is that? It was super bomb, and definitely a shoe that I knew I needed to keep my eye on. SACAI really did a number on Nike with this one, just giving those sharp edges and really kind of infusing the Japanese style that just like still blows my mind to this day when it comes to fashion. And because the Nike SACAI Waffles are such a dynamic shoe, it seems like it would make sense that you let the shoe stand out on its own and just wear like all black. Simple enough, right? Well, no. I think that you should really kind of play up on those colors, especially because fall's coming up, and some of those colors, that deep magenta, that orange, that yellow, the green, of course, it sends me. It pops. So, guys, here's what you can do. Wear a pair of print, maybe black and white chinos, and a University of Miami green and orange crew neck. I think that would be so dope, especially because, you know, fall's coming. You can leave your little ankle out a little bit. It's all right to show a little skin every now and then, but you stay warm up top with that sweatshirt. And ladies, you could also do maybe like a print mini skirt and then a University of Miami or some green and orange crew neck as well. Ladies, if you can find a magenta, an orange, or a mustard color like co-ord set, that would be super dope. Obviously with like an oversized jean jacket or something to kind of break up that co-ord, so you're matching but you're not matching too much. So that would definitely be cool. Maybe add a fanny pack, some gold accessories, things of that nature. Or another thing that you could do is also pair maybe a crew neck that you cut, you know, make it your own thing. And you can pair it with what's really popular right now. And if you watch my previous video on the top 5 trends that you need for fall, then you know you can pair it with an animal print, maybe silk skirt, something that's really in right now. I'm telling y'all, I'm giving y'all the tips. Guys, a second outfit suggestion for you all is to just wear a pair of black joggers, maybe a graphic tee that you find that might match. You can pair it with a moto jacket or a bomber, and boom. The girls see the SACAI Waffles and they're gonna be like, hello, Zeddy. I don't know if people will actually say that, but maybe they will. They'll at least like your outfit and your pictures on Instagram. Speaking of, if you try any of these outfits, be sure to tag me on Instagram. Don't be selfish, because I just gave y'all my outfit tips and what I would wear with these sneakers. So share the love, okay? I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and you got some style tips on how you might be able to wear your Nike SACAI Waffles in the pine green colorway. Y'all, that's a dope shoe. Like, do it some justice with the outfits. Make sure to like this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.